Good morning, or actually it's afternoon. It's been a while since I've done a gardening video, but I have a new situation, so I want to show you my new garden. Before, if you remember, I had a little smaller area to work with. Well, I don't think it was smaller, but it definitely was a little different. So this is what I have. I don't know, it's fairly big. So let's talk a little bit about it. The biggest difference between this particular one and the one that I've had in the past is this doesn't get as much sun, direct sun, as the last one that I had did. The last one I had got sun like over, I mean, crazy sun. So right now what I have is I'm working on my spring garden, which of course here in Texas goes really fast. So between spring and summer, um, it is important that I just kind of do what I can. I was told that in this box right here, I have some lettuce, different types of lettuce. I have a butter crunch, a bib lettuce, and a Nevada lettuce, and I have it over here in the shade simply because I was told that I was kind of late in putting my seed in for lettuce, and I actually want a lot of lettuce this summer. And apparently, the summer of Texas is too hot for lettuce. So I'm hoping that because I don't get full sun, that having my lettuce in the shade, I will be able to harvest lettuce throughout the summer. So this is definitely an experiment that I'm going to test out. In this one, I have some different spinach. I have a spinach, I have a mustard spinach, and I have some Swiss chard. And probably here I'm going to put some, I don't know what I'm putting there yet, but I'm doing a lot of succession planting, really focusing on lunar horticulture this year. So I'm really planting based on the moons and when it is telling me to do it. So today is 3/16. So this is a perfect day to plant things that are above ground. So that's why you see me planting a lot of the leafy vegetables, things like that that are going to grow above. And the roots, these are beets, and I have a cucumber, and this is my pole bean that's not doing very well. So we'll see how it works out. What the heck is that? You see that? I don't know if you can see that, but it's very interesting. Oh, there. So this is cute. I have, if you've never seen artichoke or asparagus grow, this is a tip of an asparagus that is growing. And basically in this pot I have asparagus, and I also have I think it's parsley, because I use parsley when I juice a lot. So I made sure to just plant a lot of parsley. And here, this is going to be my tomato bin. So hopefully I'll be able to get some tomatoes and some peppers. And this area, I was actually really excited to see that I had like a patch of grass or a patch of dirt to work out of. So it was disgusting, meaning that they just kind of built over it and didn't really do much about it. So what I did was I planted some iris. So I have some iris here. I actually have some poppies in the middle here, and I have some forget-me-nots around the edges. And I'm excited because they are, peeping up and growing. So soon I will have a flower garden in my backyard here. And I have some herbs. Some herbs here. I have spearmint, different two types of mints. I have a spearmint and a peppermint, and then I have, and I'm just noticing that my identification has disappeared, but I think this is all parsley, maybe some cilantro, and then in the middle here I'm going to put a pepper plant. And these two are potatoes. So I actually just put something over them, but what happens is you start to see the flowers of the potatoes grow up. So as you see that, you just put on top of it. So this is pretty much my garden so far, and I can tell you one of my most exciting things that I purchased and never thought it would be exciting as it is right now, and that is my garden waterer. It excuse me, it's literally like it rains. I'm telling you, it makes it rain up in here. Now, the one big problem that I have is this tree. It's not a problem, but it's an oak, and because it's an oak, and because my it covers my patio, I get lots and lots of flowers or leaves. Leaves just drop all over the place. So you see leaves just everywhere, everywhere. So I'm constantly trying to work the leaf situation out. Not sure how to do it. I'm thinking about, because another thing that happens is the landscapers, when they come, they they use their leaf blower, and of course their leaf blower blows the leaves all inward. So I really can't decorate the patio as I would like to at this point until I figure out or rectify the situation, for because there's little holes that peek down in there, if you can see that. So if you have any ideas that you would like to suggest, or anything that you'd like to see me grow that I have not mentioned so far, please let me know. And just so you know, I also have a community garden that I also use. So the next video that you see will be me showing you what I'm planting, which I'm planting the same things actually, at the community garden. Thank you so much and have a victorious day. Bye bye.